Hello students, this is a passive voice tutorial. What is the object of this sentence? They say that he is the best magician. Yes, it is. That he is the best magician is the object. Just take a look at the size and the weight of this monster object. Is this passive voice structure right or wrong? Actually, it is wrong. What is to be done about it? Let's see. This looks much better. It is said that he is the best magician. An alternative passive structure. It is said that he is the best magician. He is said to be the best magician. Well, note that the action represented here by the infinitive to be after he is said is simultaneous to the action of saying. A further alternative passive structure. It is said that he was the best magician. He is said to have been the best magician. Well, in this case, the action represented by the perfect infinitive structure to have been after he said is previous to the action of saying. Instead of to say, other verbs can be used. For instance, to think. It is thought that he is in France. He's thought to be in France. To report. It is reported that they are missing. They are reported to be missing. Or simply, they are reported missing. To believe can be used as well. Is it believed that Plato lived in the 5th century before Christ? Is Plato believed to have lived in the 5th century before Christ? Do you know what causative have is? Well, if you want to find out, you will have to wait until the next tutorial. To be continued.